Hello everyone, we are back and this is the third video or the last video for the introduction to linear model series. Please check the description if you want to get the complete script for all of these tutorial series. Don't forget to subscribe, and at the end of this video, I left a personal message for all of you. I previously talked about the introduction and how to develop the linear regression model in the first video, and then I talked about the interpretations of linear regression model in the second video. And on this last video, I'm going to discuss how to predict using the linear regression model. Okay, let's start. The prediction from a linear regression model is done by a predict syntax. Let's say we'd like to know what is the maximum temperature if the minimum temperature is 20 degrees. Predict a double bracket x, y, where y is the variable of our linear model and 20 is the values that we would like to predict. And if we press enter, the result is error. Let's try again using the same syntax, and still the output is error. Do you know why we got this error? So actually, if we want to apply the linear regression model to predict something or a number, we have to use the same structured data with the data we used to develop our model. Let's check it back to our previous syntaxes. Oh, we developed it by using the variable of lm underscore dat. And the structure of lm underscore dat is a data frame with two variables, which are maximum temperature or max temp and minimum temperature or min temp. So what we have to do so that we can successfully predict the maximum temperature using our linear model is by creating the same data frame with the exact same variable name, or let's say the column name. And then we can check the structure of our data that we would like to use for predicting the maximum temperature. It is a data frame with one of the variable is min temp. And if we apply this input to our model, we can successfully get the result of maximum temperature. So if we have a minimum temperature of 20 degrees, we might be likely to get 29 degrees as the maximum temperature. And these values can be appended by adding more data or using some external data, such as a CSV files or Excel files or TXT files, and so on, as long as it has the same structure and the same variable input name. Okay, I think that's all. I hope you find it useful, and I'll see you on the next post. Bye bye.
Yeah, okay. I don't really know if this personal message is necessary or no, but if you don't find it useful, you can skip it and please watch another video instead. My name is Ira and I'm the person behind all of the videos posted under Belajar Art Studio channels. I just changed it into Ira Sharif, which is actually my real name. It's just something that I have to do related to my current job now in Singapore. But I hope that start from now on we can still learn our studio happily, and I hope that I will see you in my next tutorials video. And thank you. Bye bye.